Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we are going to see a term called fair share distribution. If demand exceeds supply, DRP uses fair share logic to calculate deployment based on the available to deploy quantity, the open sales order, the safety stock, and the forecast. Deployment realizes the deployment of goods quantity from a parent location to the child location using fair share distribution. If the distributable quantity is greater than the net demand of the child location, the system immediately performs the fair share distribution. If the net demands of the child location exceeds the distributable quantity, deployment firstly distributes considering priority tiers before giving the remaining quantity using fair share distribution. Fair share distribution is a step-by-step process. For each period or priority tier, the system checks whether it can cover the cumulative net demand of all child location with the quantity that the deployment is to distribute. In the period or priority tier in which the system can no longer cover all the demand, the system divides the rest of the distributable quantity according to fair share rules. The aim of fair share distribution is to distribute remaining quantity available for a period or a priority tier according to certain rules. So the process is: number one, the system calculates the net demand for the periods or priority level that it can no longer cover. The system calculates the percentage of demand for the periods or priority level that are no longer fully covered that it can still cover, and thereby calculates the coverage level of location before fair share distribution. The system calculates average possible coverage level of all locations. The system excludes locations that have a coverage level above average achievable coverage level of all locations from the fair share distribution. For all remaining locations, the system begins the process again at step 4 and carries out this process until all remaining locations lie within the average achievable coverage level. These are the locations that the system will consider when distributing the quantity available under this method. The system calculates the average achievable coverage level for the remaining location and divides the distributable quantity between this location so that each reaches the average achievable coverage level. The system rounds the quantity calculated in system 6 to the shipment quantities. Thanks for watching. Bye.